Hi to everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make decorative scones. It is very easy to make it, and we will make it from the cardboard. Firstly, we need a piece of cardboard, and you see we have a model, triangle model, and I will sign 5 points on the cardboard and will sign it with marker to be clear and join them with a line, and we have 3 triangles, the triangles of the pyramid. Let's control it. That's okay. And now let's cut it. And that's all. We cut all. And we have pyramid shape. And now you see triangle model, paper model, and I will cut the triangle holes on the paper. The holes that I made is for light. We will get our light from these holes. And you see how I do that. And that's all. And we get triangle snake. It looks like snake. And now let's scrape our lines, the lines of the triangles. I do that to make easy to fold it up, and let's fold it up. And now let's draw triangle shaped holes on the cardboard. It is the first triangle, and now the second part. But we don't need the third part because it will hang on the wall. Now let's cut these triangle holes on the cardboard. But the middle part we cannot cut with scissors, that's why we use cutter. That's it. We get our triangle scones with the triangled holes. It's almost ready, and let's glue it with glue. You can use any paper glue for pasting. You see how I do that? It's very easy. So it's cardboard. And that's all. We finished our pyramid shape. And now I will make the lid of the pyramid, the cover. The hole of the socket will be on this triangled cover. Let's cut it. It is triangle 2. And let's make a circle for a socket. And let's cut it now. And that's all. Our hole is ready. Now let's paste it onto the scones. Our cover is ready, the lid of the pyramid is ready, and now let's put our socket on into the hole and test it, is it works or not. This is our lamp, you can use any lamp. Let's test it. We will set on the light, and you see it works. The light of the lamp sets on the wall like a star. You see it works. And now we will hang up it on the wall. I think it seems very good. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.